Aloha and welcome to Hawaii Preppers Network 808. We are in hurricane season. As of 8 a.m., update regarding Tropical Storm Lala maintained its strength this morning as it moved towards Hawaii, with the Central Pacific Hurricane Center warning that the storm could approach hurricane strength near Hawaii Island this weekend. At 8 a.m., Lala was about 680 miles east-southeast of Hilo and 890 miles east-southeast of Honolulu, with maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour and higher gusts. The storm was moving west-northwest at about 10 miles per hour. A hurricane watch is now in effect for Hawaii Island, meaning hurricane conditions are possible there within 48 hours. Lala is expected to pass near or just south of Hawaii Island on Saturday before moving south of the smaller islands during the remainder of the weekend. Forecasters said steady strengthening is expected, and Lala could be near hurricane strength as it approaches Hawaii Island. Tropical storm force winds extend up to 140 miles from the center. The Hurricane Center warned that the hurricane conditions are possible on Hawaii Island by early Saturday. Winds atop and on the windward sides of mountains and hills can be significantly stronger than winds measured near the surface. The storm is also expected to bring 5 to 10 inches of rain across much of Hawaii, with isolated maximum totals of 20 inches possible. The rainfall could cause life-threatening flooding and mudslides, particularly in steep terrain. Lala also could produce storm surge of 1 to 3 feet above ground along the Big Island coast if the peak surges coincides with high tide. Large dangerous waves could accompany the surge. Swells generated by Lala are expected to reach east-facing shores Friday and spread westward while building through the weekend, creating life-threatening surf and rip currents. The storm's forecast track continues to place only Hawaii Island within the 5-day forecast cone, with Lala expected to pass south of the smaller islands. An Air Force reconnaissance aircraft was scheduled to investigate Lala this morning, which could provide forecasters with additional information about the storm's strength and structure. The National Weather Service has also warned of increasing wildfire concerns Friday as winds strengthen ahead of Lala, while a dry, stable air mass with lower humidity moves over the islands. Tropical storm Lala formed this morning about 700 miles east-southeast of Hilo, and a hurricane watch has been issued for Hawaii Island. So this was the previous coverage on the tropical storm Lala that formed. So if you're not prepared, do go out. Don't panic. Just go out, get what you need, be it water, food, batteries, maybe even a generator. Also think about your home and things that are outdoors that are loose and haven't been tied up or tied down. You might want to start doing those things now because they're expecting high winds. They're saying anywhere between beyond 50, 70 miles an hour gusts. So yeah, that can pretty much tear off people's roofs. So you might want to look into checking your roof, looking for leaks, holes, things that you need to patch up now before Tropical Storm Lala wipes its way across the entire Hawaiian Island chain. Now, we don't know how much damage that it may cause or may not cause, but usually when there's a lot of rain and a lot of wind, a lot of things start deteriorating. Floods happen, mudslides, and with the winds at that height, 70 miles, gusts, we may see a lot of things flying, and you don't want things to become projectiles flying everywhere. You don't even want to be out during that time. So make sure you get all the necessary emergency supplies that you and your family will need. If you need to fill up on gas, fill up on gas. Like I said, generators, solar generators are ideal, but if you come across gas generators, then pick up whatever generator size that you feel you and your family may need in your home as well, and start going around your home and looking for things that you want to put away, donate. You don't want things flying during this time. So yeah, just double check around the home. Make sure everything is fastened down, tied down, and or put away that has the potentiality of becoming projectiles. So that's kind of dangerous, especially in these high gust winds. You don't want that. So just be prepared and do all the extra emergency necessary precautionary measures for you and your family during this time. We don't know how damaging, like I said before, it's going to be, but it's better be safe than sorry, and it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And always remember, when the need arises, the time to prepare has already passed. Thanks for watching, and always prepare. Aloha.